What's up guys, welcome to Science and Knowledge, Shehbaz here. Today we have latest leaks about LG's future flagship smartphone, LG G9 ThinQ, which is going to replace LG G8 model. So let's start the video. Future flagship smartphone LG G9 ThinQ with a quad camera lit up on the renders. LG continues to engage in the mobile business despite its loss-making over the past 4 years. The network has appeared renderings of the flagship smartphone LG G9 ThinQ, which is preparing to replace the LG G8 model, published by Cashkoro.com in the partnership with the well-known leak hunter OnLeaks. The leaks of an insider named OnLeaks about the design of the upcoming smartphones have been repeatedly confirmed, as, for example, the recent presentation of the Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite and Galaxy Note 10 Lite testifies. The insider warned that it was fairly early example and the company may change some details. In any case, these renders of LG G9 give an idea of what the next flagship of LG will be. Apparently, the company abandoned the TOF camera used for gesture recognition in the LG G8 smartphone. The LG G9 front camera is located in a drop-shaped cutout at the top of the screen, bordered by thin frames and occupying almost the entire surface of the front panel. The fingerprint scanner will be located under the screen. On the back panel, there is a main camera with the 4 modules placed horizontally, like the LG G8X ThinQ. Also on the render are the power and volume buttons, a speaker, a USB-C port for charging, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. According to the source, the screen size of LG G9 ThinQ will be 6.7 or 6.9 inches, and the dimensions of the smartphone's body are 169.4 by 77.6 by 8.8 mm, 9.4 mm including the rear camera. As expected, the novelty will be presented at the Mobile World Congress 2020. The price of the smartphone is not officially confirmed. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care yourself very well. Peace out.